I've been scalping Bitcoin so much since the Asian time zone, in the last 10 hours. See, it was dark here. And I was scalping Bitcoin. There were so many movements. We have some issues. Yes, we went below the 200 EMA. By the way, I've got a few longs pulled up right here based on the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Also, I have a Solana long. It crashed once. I got stopped out here, re-entered here, and I also have a repo one. I'll tell you why. Even though we're hovering below the 200 EMA, even though we printed a lower low, I'm still bullish. And I managed to catch this drop, by the way, on Bitcoin right here at 9:30-ish my time. It's before the London session. We'll talk about everything, the bigger picture for Bitcoin. Why don't they have a battery on my watch? I gotta recharge it after video. But before we start, smack the like button or I will smash you. Subscribe because my enemies are coming and I need subscribers. I also am sponsored by MEX Exchange. You can check the links for them in the description down below. And I have my own crypto signals group where it's me against my enemies. Keep in mind the video is no financial advice. Let's have some fun. Let's check out the chart. No hard feelings if you don't agree with me. We can all be friends, right? We have some lower lows, but first of all, one word: falling wedge. I'll start with the word falling wedge. Why? Well, this is why I'm not worried. We have lower lows, yes. We have higher, lower highs, yes. And what does that mean? My painting skill level is very high. If you played RuneScape with me, you would know it's very, very high. And if you want to swing trade this, you can. But there's also a few things. I think the reason for this drop was from this divergence right here on RSA right here. We should have had a bigger pump. We did, but we kind of didn't as well. So because of that, normally you have a lower low. That happened a lot. That happens a lot. And since we're in this channel, just trading this would be nice. What I believe is very likely from here is a movement to the upside around the 438. My take profit right now is 4363 something, 4363 something around here. But I'm also scalping this. It can't just go here, right? It can just go to the 800s. I think we'll circle the drain around here before we get a pump, because we're not getting that many buy orders. This movement just signal failed. This one didn't fail. This kind of failed. This, I don't know. We are high RSI here, so that wasn't really the point. Another thing that we're seeing right now, money flow is in the red since the 16th of since yesterday, New York session. Since the beginning of the New York session, pretty much money flow red, just going down, just like this, boom. So these are a few things you should be aware of. Falling wedge is my guess. We can circle the drain a little bit before we pump. Let me know your thoughts though in the comment section below. Just let me know. Be a pencil neck. Roast me in the comment section down below. See you next one.